Hello everyone! Today's video shows a lovely texture in an easy to knit lace design. The scheme consists of 2 rows. 4 edge stitches and a multiple of 4 loops make up the design. 1 loop is added for symmetry. I will also show you how to create this beautiful edge on knit fabric. The initial 0 row that we use won't repeat and won't enter the scheme. We start on the wrong side. Row 0 is on the wrong side. We start with 2 edge loops, slip the first one with a yarn over. Knit the second. The repeat pattern is knit 3. Slip 1. With a yarn over, knit 3, slip 1, with a yarn over. At the end of the row, knit the 2 edge loops. Row 1 is on the right side. We start with 2 edge loops, slip the first one with a yarn over. Knit the second together with the next loop. The repeat pattern consists of 4 loops, slip the first one with a yarn over. Next are 3 loops, the middle one of which is with a yarn over. Slip the first 2 stitches together with the yarn over loop, as if knit. Knit the third one and push it through the 2 loops and 1 yarn over. Again. Slip 1 with a yarn over. Slip 3 loops as if knit. Knit 1 and push it through the 3. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. At the end of the row, slip the first one with a yarn over. Knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. Row 2 is on the wrong side. We start with 2 edge loops, slip the first one with a yarn over. Knit the second. The repeat pattern has 2 loops. The first has a yarn over above. Knit 2 together, make a yarn over loop, and again knit 2 together. Slip the second one with a yarn over. Knit 2 together, make a yarn over loop, and again knit 2 together. Slip 1 with a yarn over. Keep knitting in this manner until the end of the row. At the end of the row, knit 1 and knit 2 together. I have presented you with a unique knitting pattern of beautiful, elastic, open work, and voluminous knitting, just for winter clothes and accessories. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to never miss a video. I hope that you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.